Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of costume accessories, and I've got something truly special to share with you. This right here is the ultimate ensemble for any woman looking to rock the 80s vibe like never before. That's right, it's the WILDPARTY costume accessories set, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Now, what sets this ensemble apart from the rest? Well, let's start with what's included. You get everything you need to create the perfect 80s-inspired look, from head to toe. We're talking a vibrant print t-shirt, a flirty tutu skirt, a trendy fanny pack, funky fishnet gloves in both short and long styles, cozy leg warmers, neon necklaces, a lace headband, flashy earrings, and even neon silicone bracelets. It's a comprehensive set that leaves no stone unturned. But what really makes this ensemble shine is its attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. Each piece is made from skin-friendly materials that prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. The fanny pack, for example, is crafted from soft poo with an adjustable waistband, ensuring a perfect fit every time. And let's talk about that tutu skirt. Made from nylon yarn fabric, it boasts high elasticity and a luxurious feel that's sure to turn heads. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're gearing up for an 80s-themed party, a Halloween bash, a dance party, or even just a retro-inspired photo shoot, this ensemble has you covered. And with 7 different sizes to choose from, ranging from XS to XXXL, finding the perfect fit is a breeze. Plus, with its vibrant colors and eye-catching accessories, you'll be the life of the party wherever you go. So, if you're ready to take your costume game to the next level, look no further than the WILDPARTY costume accessory set. With its impeccable quality, unbeatable value, and endless possibilities for creativity, it's truly the best costume accessory for women on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, stay stylish.